Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey, I want to show you guys this truck that I just got. It's a 2016 Chevy Silverado. It's got the 5.3 V8 four-wheel drive Z71 option, which that just means there's a couple extra skid plates on it. But it's super clean truck. It was advertised on Facebook Marketplace for $25,000. Figured I'd throw a lowball offer in on it at 17. He said, I can't do that, but I can do 19,000 if you come today. I said, all right, I'm on my way. Don't really know what I'm going to do with it. Figured there's one issue that I need to fix on it. The washer pump doesn't work, which is, I guess, a very common problem on these, I think, 14 and up Chevy Silverados and GMCs. My 2015, it's got, I think, what, 26,000 miles on it. That pump's still good, but this 2016, it's got 48,000 on it, and the washer pump went out. So I'm going to try to do a video on that. That needs fixed. It's a super clean truck inside. Super clean. Guy never smoked in it. It was one owner. For 19,000 for this truck, I couldn't pass it up. It's literally a brand new truck still. Came with the tonneau cover. Came with the bed liner. Already installed. Spare from one of my other cars. But super clean truck. The guy just put brand new tires on it all the way around on it. Doesn't look like he drove it in the winter either. You look at that frame, and you come over here to my 2015. This truck's never saw winter day in its life. You take a look at this one. So it's super similar. So 48,000 miles to 25,000 miles, and never seen one winter on that one. But it's got every option, except for it doesn't have heated seats, which I wish it did. Remote started, sounds good, runs good. Give you a walk around with it. But I want to show you guys what I got. Got us a new truck for the channel. Want to do a couple things to it. I'm either going to sell it, try to make some money off of it, or my dad needs a truck. I can sell to him what I have in it, and then go from there. But well, like I said, that washer pump doesn't work, so I'm gonna have to put a new one in, and then everything else is good on it. Took the wheel off. The front brakes, they're about 30%, so those definitely need replaced, front brakes and rotors. The rear brakes, they're about 40%, but I'll probably just buy a kit on eBay all the way around. The ceramic pads and cross-drilled rotors. That's what I've been using on everything. But it's a super nice truck. I want your guys' opinion. Which front end do you guys like better? Do you like the 2016, or do you like 2015 over here? Man, I love my blue truck, but this 2016 front end, it's working on me. I love that. But just wanted to give you guys a walk around of our new toy that we got on the channel. I'll unlock it. That might help get inside. Said guys, super clean truck. I think my dad'll really enjoy this. Have to talk to him, see if he wants to buy it for what I have in it. He's got a 2009, so this will be one heck of an upgrade for him. I think I'm gonna try to talk to him and buy him this one off of me. He deserves a nice truck. I've been trying to tell him to buy this one right here, but I haven't talked him into that yet. But maybe I can talk to him into this one, being that I bought it so cheap. I've been driving it, I think, about 300 miles, no issues, runs, drives. Like I said, I gotta fix that washer pump. I want to change the front brakes and rotors. I want to change the oil on it. Guy said he just changed the oil, but I just want to make sure, get all the fluids in. But want to show you guys, this is our new toy, so I'll get some videos up on this. Hope you guys had a good New Year's and good Christmas, and I'll see you guys on the next vid. Please like and subscribe, and get some more car related stuff. And I got some exciting things happening on this channel, so hope you guys have a good day. Thank you.